What's App Stack on Android? On Android, the term App Stack typically refers to a feature introduced in Android 12 called the App Hibernation feature. App Stack allows users to access a stack of recently used apps in a convenient and visually pleasing manner. When using App Stack, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen or tap the Recents button to reveal the stack of app windows. This stack displays a vertical list of app thumbnails or windows that you have recently used. Each app window represents an individual app, and you can scroll through the stack to find the app you want to access. The App Stack feature aims to improve multitasking and app switching by providing a quick and intuitive way to switch between recently used apps. Instead of accessing the full App Switcher interface, which shows all running apps, App Stack focuses on your recent app history. When you select an app from the App Stack, it brings that app to the forefront, allowing you to resume using it or interact with its content. This feature can be particularly useful when you frequently switch between a small set of apps and want a more streamlined way to access them. Android also uses a process called Activity Lifecycle to manage the App Stack efficiently. This ensures that apps aren't running in the background when not in use. When an app is paused, it's removed from the App Stack and placed in the paused state. If the app is unused for an extended period, it is removed from memory entirely. It's worth noting that the specific features and behavior of App Stack may vary depending on the Android version, device manufacturer, and any customizations made by the device's software interface, such as Samsung's One UI or Xiaomi's MIUI.